Makes it fast. You can use both parchment paper and aluminum foil in the Ninja PossibleCooker, but there are rules about when, where, and how to use each one safely. Here's what works and what to avoid. Rule 1. Know which modes allow liners. Parchment paper works well for slow cook, bake, and steam modes when you want to prevent sticking or make cleanup easier. Place it flat on the bottom of the pot, or use it to line the sides for foods like cakes or casseroles. Do not let parchment hang over the pot edges or touch the heating element. Trim it to fit inside the pot boundary. Most parchment paper is safe up to 420 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The PossibleCooker bake mode reaches 230 degrees Celsius or 450 Fahrenheit maximum, so standard parchment works fine. Rule 2. Use foil for covering and high heat situations. Aluminum foil works when you want to tent food loosely, wrap ingredients like fish or potatoes, or cover dishes during bake mode. You can also use foil when transferring the pot to a conventional oven for finishing. Never seal foil tightly around the entire pot or block the steam vent on the lid. If you are finishing the pot in a conventional oven above 450 degrees, use foil instead of parchment. Rule 3. Never use any liner during sear or sauté modes. High direct heat from the bottom element can scorch parchment or cause foil to stick and damage the nonstick coating. For sear and sauté, cook directly on the pot surface without any liners. If you're regularly using high-heat sear mode and want to protect your pot, silicone utensils and a quality non-stick safe spatula prevent scratches better than any liner. I've linked a heat-safe silicone spatula set in the description. If food sticks even when using parchment correctly, or if you notice the non-stick coating peeling after using foil on high heat, contact Ninja Support using the link in the description. If this helped you use parchment and foil safely without damaging your pot, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you still need heat-safe silicone utensils for sear mode, I've linked the set I use below. They're rated to 450 degrees and won't scratch the nonstick coating like metal tools will. Thanks for watching, and now you can line it, wrap it, or leave it bare with confidence.